is Westfield, Manukau, and it's time for a lift tour. Now this shopping centre is mostly single storey, there's just a few lifts in shops and other various places. And now to the first lift, which is the lift which goes up to the event cinemas. And this is a Schindler MRL. Oh, split buttons, which are of course a smart idea. This is Westfield's in Manukau, in Auckland. It's actually a single-storey shopping centre, but there is a lift here at the cinema. Looks like there's another one further around for getting up to the next bit, but we haven't got a ticket for the cinema, so we probably can't. Oh God, I hate it when they do split buttons on different panels. It's a really stupid idea. Anyway, it's a Schindler D series MRO. And now to another lift inside the cinema, which goes from the cinema foyer up to where the screens are. This is another Schindler MRL. This is the other lift at the Manukau Event Cinemas, the one from the cinema podium up to the cinema itself. Another Schindler D series MRL. Now you may have noticed that this lift, unlike the other one, it's got the buttons in the right arranged. Normally might be because it's only a single door lift. Standard lift, it's a bit dark in here. Don't like it when it's dark in the lift because it's not very good for the camera. There it goes. And now to the lift in Farmers. Now this is a really old lift that has been modernised by Schindler. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's closed. This is the lift at Farmers at Westfield, Manukau. Seems to appear it's an old lift that has been modernised by Schindler. Wow, this is smooth. Is it even moving? Yeah, of course it's moving. Capacity is...
Yeah, I know, you're the one inching in, but you can't try to take them.
It must be hydraulic. I think this is express. I don't know my way around here very well, I've never been here before. Capacity 1100 kg, 16 persons. Been modernised with M series. It's got a weird white staff door at the back and carpet there, but it looks like Schindler have replaced this door, but not this door. Here we are at one. And lastly, to the lifts by the food court. These are some old Otis lifts, I think from the 70s, not sure, that have been modernised by Otis. Now these lifts go up to a small shopping area and also the management offices on level 1, and then go to various other privately owned offices on levels 2, 3 and 4. Now, because I visited the shopping centre on a Sunday, the top 3 floors were closed, which meant I can only take the lifts between ground and 1. Otis. Okay, we can only go up to 1. Been modernised by Otis, whatever they are. That's where the old indicator used to be. This is the centre management area, back to ground. No, these are going to be either express or Otis, maintained by Schindler. There's your capacity, traction. Standard European style Otis fixtures. There's no Otis label. Express maybe. It's got triangle key, so I can't tell.